Hey guys, the Nature Nathan here with Nathan's Fishing Adventures. Just wanted to stop and take a minute and ask a few questions. You know what? I'm doing lots of upgrades and lots of rigging in my boat, but you know what? I had a customer reach out and ask me some questions about something that I had in my boat, so that gave me a question and a thought. Would you guys have any questions that you'd like to see or have more videos on, or maybe me do a boat walkthrough while I'm at the dock, or is there just something whether you'd like to see, whether it's sonars, trolling motors, gear, rigs, tracks, everything else between? What am I using? Would you like to see some more videos on that? Of course, drop me a comment below and let's get you informed and up to date and get you rocking. Or you know what? Hey, reach out. I may know a guy that can get you some stuff. Just that simple, guys. Until next time, I'm the Nature Nathan with Nathan's Fishing Adventures.